Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing good. I've been okay, I guess. I've been depressed. Well, you don't want to hear my bullshit. Basically, it's about this cartoon channel I've got. I was depressed about getting sick, and I haven't been putting up any videos on my channel because I'm a little embarrassed about being on it. But anyway, that's not. What it is I was watching cartoons on YouTube with my son Caden, and I noticed that millions of views on some of these cartoons and 4 or 5 ads. So I don't know what that works out to on payments through monetization, but I started making my own on Claire's channel, Crazy Cartoons, if you've seen any of them. Now, what I found is with the movie, sorry, I get confused sometimes. Sound is half your video. And I'm going to show you a clip I'm making here of cannibals. I don't know if you've seen that cartoon, or your grandchildren, or your children, but I'm doing this commercial right now, or cartoon right now, and I'm going to show you a clip without any sound effects, and a same clip with sound effects. So don't hang up on me. Watch this whole video through. Okay, this is the clip without sound effects. And this is the clip with sound effects. Now, if you notice, it's way better with sound effects. I've not finished this clip. I still got the background music to put in, but yeah, see what I mean? So get your children or grandchildren to subscribe to my new channel. I gotta make some money somehow. Thank you.